Hey guys, this is a basic walkthrough of a commercial sprinkler system. Right here we've got the meter. Basically this is where municipal water comes to before it either legs off into the sprinkler system or goes to buildings or goes to anybody's house. But in this case, water comes from the meter and up into the RPZ here. This RPZ is really called a reduced pressure zone backflow. The idea of it is a device that prevents contaminants from entering city water. They come in all different sizes and different devices as well. There's also a pressure vacuum breaker, or there's automatic vacuum breakers, but they all do the same thing, and that is to prevent contaminants from entering the city water. After the backflow, we've got a master valve here. This is just a valve before any other valve on the property. In this case, it works with the flow sensor here. And if a high flow or a low flow is detected, it'll show up on our sprinkler timer, and we have some direction as what we want to do there. A high flow, such as a mainline break, would just shut the system completely off. Or a low flow, you might have a valve shut down, or clogged heads, or really any other type of occurrence which would cause a low flow. Alright, so after the flow sensor there, the master or the main line comes this way. We've got two wireless moisture sensors here that work with our controller. They're really evaluating 24/7 the moisture content of the soil. So main line will come up this way. We've got a pop-up zone in this area. The reason we do pop-ups here is because it's an area smaller than 15 feet wide, and pop-ups just cover smaller areas better. Out here we've got rotor zones. They throw greater than 15 feet, so we've got a big expanse that we need to cover, so that's why we have rotors out there. We've got beds here. They're all got drip in them. It's just a nice low water usage method of irrigating plants. Alright, so with our journey through the main line, it comes over to these set of valve boxes. Here we've got a drip valve, and we know that because it's got a filter on it. Occasionally you'll just need to clean those out, service them every now and then. With the flow sensor, we can get a good idea of when this filter needs to be cleaned out because we can see the low flows on the controller. Here we've got just a normal manifold with 3 regular valves. These just feed these zones out here. Obviously pressure comes up behind the valve through the main line. The timer tells when these solenoids to activate and open. The solenoids open, pressure flows through the lateral, the heads pop up, and that's how the water is delivered to turf or beds or whichever you need.